yung mga nilagay namin sa script are based
para naman kung fourth read eh. Pinahahaba yung definition. Ang tanong, was it a political time? Yes.
Yes.
So nagbibiro ka lang pala?
No, the topic is serious.
Indeed, but the treatment, nagbibiro ka lang. Yun ang translation ng satire, di ba? Joke lang.
It's joke or serious, so you can tell a serious story through laughter. So
I understand. But satire, how do you define satire? Kasi music major kayo, di ba? Hindi naman na-copyright itong ginawa nyo. Historical film. So, if you say satire, that means, ay, joke lang pala. So yeah, matatanggap ka, joke lang pala.
We will leave that to the audience to decide if it's
satire or not.
If it's something that they would want to process.
But is it satire? Because I have receipts. Dala ko resibo eh. May friend, si Ed Rocha, the money man behind this. Di ba? Sila ni Nando Ortigas dati, no? Pera nila. Hindi pera nila Nando. Well, sila mga producer na, di ba? So, may friend si Nando sa kanyang Viber. Nag-comment yung ate ko, our only third generation Quezon, si Aurora Quezon Bansenya, ate ko, sa stage na katira. Nag-comment ang ate ko, enhorabuena, congratulations. Ed, kasi kaibigan namin yung mga Roche eh. So, ang sagot ni Ed, sabi, is it coming to the US? Yes. Ang sagot ni Ed, preparate, prepare yourself. This is a political satire. So, ibig sabihin, alam ni Ed, na sinalaulan nyo ang alaala ng aking lolo. That you did not do him right, and that he does not have the moral nor the artistic integrity to stand by this product. If he will say it was a satire, and you admit it is,
yes.
Okay, so satire. So huwag natin magpapaniwalaan. Joke pala ito. It's a joke. It is satire. Teka, ito di pa ako tapos eh.
With all due respect, sir.
Oh.
I understand the feelings, but this is a Q&A for everyone.
Okay, so my question has been answered, so let me finish.
We are giving everyone a chance because everyone paid.
Hey, dude, listen to this.
Sir,
you're jumping around.
No.
No. Listen to me.
We're going to listen to you, but there's a space and time.
Jericho, huwag mo akong ganyan ha?
No, sir. Because
Umupo ka, patapusin mo ako. 1 minute, I'm done. It's just sit down and shut up. Okay?
1 minute, sige. 1 minute.
Yes, okay.
Everyone.
Okay, so this no more question. This I tell you all. You have opened the Pandora's box. Oh, okay naman, di ba?
Just a minute na lang daw.
Oh, 1 minute naman eh. So listen to this. I have watched this the third time in the week. Nung umpisa ako kay Pakot. And then I've seen all the comments and all the passion on media, on social media. So what you have opened, Mr. Taro, is a Pandora's box. Marami mga Pilipinong bata ngayon hindi naman nag-aral. Alam ba nyo that we got women suffrage before France? Alam ba nyo na mismong Hacienda ni Quezon, pinamahagi niya? Libre? Teka, hindi pa ako tapos.
Yes, sir.
Kakainin mo yung 1 minute ko eh. I have 45 seconds. Kung hindi nyo alam nyo, i-research nyo. I-research nyo lahat. Sapagkat ito para inaamin naman na joke lang eh. Okay? So, ikaw, Mr. Taro, at lahat kayo, hindi nyo alam ito binuksan nyo. Ang dami nagsasabi sa social media, ay, mali pala si Quezon, dapat naiwan lang tayo sa mga Amerikano. Ganon? So, nasa ilalim tayo ni Trump? Anyway, hindi nyo alam ang ginawa nyo. Dahil kayo, gusto nyo kumita ng pera, gusto nyo sumikat, sinalaula ninyo ang alaala ng isang pamilyang nagbuwis ng buhay. Ang lola ko, inubos yan. Kasama ng tita baby ko, kasama ng unang asawa ng nanay ko. Pinas lang yung mga yan dahil hirap na. Anyway, yun, tapos na ako. Mahiya kayo. Ngayon, eto sinachannel ko ngayon ang aking lolo sa pagsabi ko sa inyong ito. Punyeta kayo mga putang ina nyo, kupal kayo!
Thank you, sir.
So satire. So huwag natin pagpapaniwalaan. Joke pala ito. It's a joke. It is satire. Teka, yan ko, di pa ako tapos eh.
With all due respect, sir.
Oh.
I understand the feelings, but this is a Q&A for everyone.
Okay, so my question has been answered, so let me finish.
We are giving everyone a chance because everyone paid.
Hey, dude, listen to this.
Sir,
you're jumping around.
No.
No. Listen to me.
We're going to listen to you, but
Maraming salamat po. Ako naman, ako muna bago ikaw, Presidente. Unang-una, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo nyo ngayon at pananood. Isa po kayo sa mga unang nakanood ng pelikulang Quezon. 10 years ago, sa pagkakaalala ko, September 9, 2015, ipinalabas po ang General Luna. At yung first 3 days po niya, flop. Bumawi po ito nung ika-4 na araw, Sabado, Wednesday yung first showing. At yung mga nakanood po nun ay nagpakalat, nagyaya, nag-imbita. Yung iba sa kanila 5 beses, 10 beses na panood. At dito ko po nasaksihan kasama ang marketing team ng TBA. Dito po nagpasimula yung pagpo-promote sa social media at nagkaroon na ng mga memes ang General Luna. At ngayon po, hinihiling po namin uli ang inyong tulong sa huling trilogy ng Bayaniverse. Sana po, ulitin natin yung 10 years ago. Tulungan niyo po kami na ipakalat ang kakaibang historical film na ito. Hindi po ito typical na pinupuri ang ating mga bayani. Ang pinakita po dito ay yung kanilang pagiging tao at yung kanilang mga kamalian na napapanahon na sana ay ma-correct natin. Maraming salamat po.
Excelente. Hello. Okay, pareho lang. First of all, did you guys enjoy the film?
Yeah!
Thank you. Before I even say something, did you feel something? Did you feel like, did you feel alive? Did you feel hatred, anger, joy, hope? Yeah, right? Everything. The reason why we are here and we're watching the film. Hintay natin sila matapos. Okay na. Aking kabinete. Hindi. Reason why we're here and we wanted to watch with you guys is because we wanted to feel your energy and we wanted to hear, wanted to see how excited you guys are. I see that you dressed up for the event. Gracias, amigo. Very good. Because this is an important film for us. This film is beyond the film now. This is a call to action. This is a special project for us because this is a movement. Because number one, we wanted to bring the joy and just the brilliant, just the happiness of going back to cinema. And Wolfgang is an amazing place to enjoy movies, especially a movie like this. Yeah, Wolfgang, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much. Yeah. Second is that we start questioning. Nobody's perfect, but we have to get involved now in everything that is happening in this country of ours because we love the Philippines, don't we? We love the Philippines. That's why we chose I Am the Philippines, because we are the Philippines. I am the Philippines. And now we ask for your support and help. We thank you for being here because you guys are so influential. You have the power, whether you have a following or not. Because at home or here outside, when you tell people about a good film, not just this film, but every good film, you are helping this industry not only to survive but to thrive and to last, to be here, because cinema is part of our culture. As you can see, diba, si Therese Malvar siya yung ano dun. And we are so honored for you guys to have spent 3 hours with us. Maraming salamat sa inyo. So please, tell your friends, tell your family, if you love the film, just tell them you love the film and watch it on October 15. We love you guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. This is acceptable! God bless you. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, everyone.
Can we have a group photo with everyone?